Hi, welcome back. This is not much important session, but still it has one of the SAP tip. Probably if you are getting into new real-time system, like probably you might face because of your memory issues, why my drop-down entries are missing. I would like to open that secret today. So how to change number of entries of the history in SAP GI, SAP ECC or S4 HANA. Okay, let's try to get into the topic. I'm sorry. If you look at here, you have a drop down, right? How many entries you can able to get it? How many entries? If you are not getting even a single entry, what could be the reason? I will help you out. If you are picking up any new system, you can control this one, or else existing system also. Still, you can control. If you are not at subscribe, please subscribe my channel. Okay. If you are eagerly learn SAP SD, okay, you can able to see this is the course with 103 hours. Okay, so these prices will fluctuate. It is controlled by Udemy. You can try. I'm just providing these links below the video. You can learn. Okay, SD course at top level at ECC. If you really wanted to get introduce yourself as for HANA, still you are working in ECC or get bored, or else you would like to impress your interview, some interview questions you would like to attend, you can try this course, SAP S4 HANA Simple Logistics and Business Partner Concepts. Okay. And if you are passionate about pricing, okay, that I have explained advanced level and a basic level, and I have a rebates. And I have different courses. And I personally recommend if you already trained yourself outside institution, you try this one for real time, getting master to write functional specification. Here I have provided a template you can download and you can write your own way of functional specification. Okay, you'll get a lot of real time stuff there. And if you would like to learn idocs, this is the right place where for SD and MM consultants. Here I explain 5 scenarios. You can try this course as well. Okay. If you have some doubts about SAP SD LE basics, you can try this course. Okay. That's all about the courses. If you really wanted to pay that interest to get a job, you have to learn with that interest. Okay. You can find those links below my current video. Let's get into the SAP. Okay. Now let's go to simply VA01. Let's go to VA03. Otherwise, it is better. Just click a drop down. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. You have a 20 documents. How you can able to get this drop down of the 20 documents? Let me explain you here. It's simple. Let's get into the options. Okay. This is the place where you can see this. Okay, local data drop down. You can able to see the history of entries. You can see this maximum permitted file size and expire time within 3 months. Those expires and the maximum number of entries 20. Enable history of the fields up to 15 characters. Okay, let's try to understand the maximum number of entries 20. That's why you got exactly 20 drop down. Okay, so whenever you make a change, you log off and log on so that you can able to see the entries. Let's try to make this 20 entries too. Let me make it some 5 entries. Okay, apply this change. Let's click on OK. But still you will get 20. Let's log off and try to check. Okay. Let me log off. Let me log in again. The meanwhile, okay, I have done log off. Let me try to re-log in again. Okay. So now let's go to VA03. Now see how many entries? Only 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is one of the simple tip. Certain times, some people, that is the place where if they made it 0, then you will not get dropped down. Every day, like, especially when you are trying to create more transactional data or master data. So while copying, you need not remember. If you have history, then you can able to take those sales order number and delivery numbers. So yesterday or else suppose weekend you have forgotten on your real-time system, so that this history is bit helpful to you, especially most of the times for end users. But being a consultant, also you will do your unit testing and quality testing, and you will do your configuration and the FAT and everything. Certain times probably you require history. This is a very good tip, I feel. That's why I would like to add uh, to learn YouTube. That's it. That's all for today. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best for your career. Jai Bharat. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Please subscribe. Stay tuned my channel. If you like this video, please like it. And if you really wanted to teach others, just share my videos. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best.